okay, please listen here. Al-Idhar. Idhar എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ Idhar 6 letters, okay? 6 letters. First one Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, okay? These 6 letters are for Izhar, okay? If in Quran, Nun Sakina, okay? Nun Sakina or Tanween Fataha Kasra Dhamma, okay? After Nun Sakina or Tanween Fataha, Tanween Kasra, Tanween Dhamma, if these 6 letters are coming, okay? There is the hukum. There is the rule in Tajweed al-Idhar. Idhar. What is the meaning of Idhar? Clear. Clear pronunciation, okay? Nun Sakina and Tanween pronounce clear. Very clear. For example, we can look, okay? For example, for Ha, okay? Ha, Hamza. First one Hamza. Yen, Auna. Yen, Auna, okay? Yen. Nun Sakina, okay? After that, Hamza. Yen, Auna. Yang, Auna. No, we don't, okay? Don't pronounce like that, okay? Yen, Auna. And second one, Tanween. Okay, Tanween Dhamma. After that, Hamza. Kullun amana. Kullun amana. Afiq, read.
Kullun amana.
Very good, very good. Okay, next one, ha, second one, harf, ha, okay? Has, for example, ha, minhum. Okay, read. Minhum.
Minhum.
Next one, Tanween, jurufin har.
Jurufin har.
Jurufin har.
Jurufin har.
Okay, next one, ain, 3, ain. Ain example, we can look, okay? An'amta. Read.
An'amta.
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 Yes, should clear pronunciation, okay? And next, Tanween, Hakimun Alim.
Hakimun alim.
Hakimun Alim.
Hakimun alim.
Okay, next one, Ha. Okay, Ha. Ha, example, Yanhituna.
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 Tanween, min hakimin hamid. Two examples there, okay? Min hakimin hamid. Once more, I am repeating first. Min hakimin hamid. Recite.
Min hakimin hamid.
Yes, very good pronunciation. Okay, next one, ghain. Okay, ghain. Example, fasayun. Okay, fasayun ghiduna.
Fasayunghiduna.
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 Next, qawlan ghayra.
Qawlan ghayra.
Qawlan ghayra.
Qawlan ghayra.
Next one, kha. Kha. Walmunkhaniqatu.
Walmunkhaliqatu.
Khani. Walmunkhaniqatu.
Walmunkhaliqatun.
Walmunkhani. Walmunkhani. Ni. Khani. Walmunkhaniqatu.
Walmunkhaliqatun. Walmunkhaniqatun.
Yes, okay. Next. Alimun khabir.
Alimun khabir.
Alimun khabir.
عليم خبير.
Okay, this is the 6 letters of idhar and the examples.